Thank you for purchasing a website with resortsandlodges.com. You have made it to the training portion of the website process. In this video, we will go through how to do basic edits to your site, including logging into your site, adding and editing a page from the back end as well as the front end, how to create a slider and add a slide, how to add images and plugins, and also how to create a blog post. First, we will start by logging into your site. Type the URL in the address bar, adding a \wp-admin. This will take you to the login page. Here you will add the username and password that was provided to you. To reset your password, click on Forgot Password. An email will be sent to the email address used to create the username with a link to create a new password. Once you are logged in, you will be brought to the dashboard. This sidebar is your main go-to navigation. To add or edit a page from the back end, click on Pages. Here is a list of all the pages that make up your entire site. Click on a page name to edit it, or click on the Add New button to create a new page. You can also search for a page by using a keyword. An easier way to do this is to edit a page from the front end. Click on your company's name in the top left corner next to the house icon. This will bring you to the front end of your website. Navigate to the page you wish to edit using your main navigation. Click Edit Page in the top menu bar or hover over the plus new and click on Page. Each page is made up of containers, columns, and elements using the new and improved Fusion Builder. This is a great drag and drop interface that now allows for greater possibilities. To build out a page, you first need a container. There are many different container and column options to choose from. I like to choose a full width container and then add a different column to break up the content on the page. Click on the Element button to add things like buttons, images, or text blocks. There are many different elements to choose from. I recommend playing around with each element on a new unpublished page. We are going to start by adding a text block. First, we need to make sure to add an H1 to each page, and then paste our content. To add an image, click on the element and find the image frame element. Click on Upload Image. Here you can upload your images by clicking an image and browsing your computer, or you can drag and drop your images off your desktop. You want to make sure your images are optimized before adding them to your site. Optimized images speed up page loading times. For your image, you can choose options like an animation, a drop shadow, or you can link the image to a URL. To add a slider, click on the slider element. Each slide will be added to the left-hand side. To edit a slide, click on the pencil icon. Click plus slide to add another slide. With the new Fusion Builder, the Fusion slider is even easier to access. Scroll to the bottom to Fusion Page Options. You can choose Fusion Builder and then you choose the name of the slider you want. It then shows up at the top. To add a Fusion slider, hover over the Fusion slider on the sidebar. To make a slider, click on New Slider. Create a name, the size of the slider you want, or if you want it to be full screen or not. If you want to display navigation arrows, if you want to autoplay, and if you want loop indefinitely. It'll be added to the top of your list. Now to add a new slide, click on Add or Edit Slides and then the Add New Slider button. Create a name. Now you can choose if you want an image, video, Vimeo, where you want the caption to be, if you want it to have content on it at all. You can choose to have a separator, the size of the heading color, and the heading background color. You can also choose a caption. And then again, if you wanted to have a separator, the font size, the caption color, the caption background color if you want one or not. Now just make sure at the end of the slide to change from button to full slide. Then up here you choose what slider you want it to be on and then set the featured image. This will bring you to the media library where you can pick your image and publish. Now that the Fusion slider is easily at the top, you can click Edit Slider, Edit Slides, or Remove Slider and easily edit your Fusion slider. To add a plugin, find the Plugins link on the left-hand sidebar to be brought to a list of all of your current plugins. Click the Add New button to add a new plugin. Search the title of the plugin, click Install, and then Activate. A non-activated plugin will show up in your plugins list but will not be working on your site. To find out more about the plugin, click on the plugin title. Here you can find out more information about the plugin from the plugin creators. Manually add a plugin by clicking the button Upload Plugins, then browse your computer for the plugin zip file. Finally, we will create a blog post. Hover over the post link on the left-hand sidebar to be brought to a list of all your current blog posts. Click the Add New button to create a new post. You are able to use the Fusion Builder to create blogs, or you can use the default builder to paste content. Add an image to the content by clicking on Add Media to be brought to the image library. Add the categories and tags you want your blog to be added to on the right-hand sidebar. Make sure to set the featured image so that the images show up in the archives. Thank you for purchasing a website with resortsandlodges.com. If you have any questions, please email support@resortsandlodges.com.